Apple just did something crazy. They released a brand new MacBook for only $599. This is the MacBook Neo, and it is the cheapest laptop Apple has made in a very long time. But sitting right next to it in the Apple Store is the brand new M5 MacBook Air. The Air starts at $1,099. That is a massive $500 difference. So, which one should you actually buy? Are you missing out on important features if you buy the cheap one? Or is the expensive one a waste of money? Let's break down the real differences between the MacBook Neo and the MacBook Air so you do not make a huge mistake. First, let's talk about who these laptops are actually built for. The $599 MacBook Neo has one big goal. It is made to give you a smooth Mac OS experience without forcing you to spend over $1,000. It is absolutely perfect for everyday users. If you just want to browse the web, watch YouTube, write school papers, and check your emails, the Neo handles all of that easily. On the other hand, the MacBook Air is made for people who demand more power. If you want to run heavy apps or multitask all day, the Air is the laptop that does it without breaking a sweat. The biggest difference hidden inside these laptops is the brain that runs them. The MacBook Neo uses an A18 Pro chip. This is actually a processor made for iPhones. It might sound weird to put a phone chip inside a laptop, but it is surprisingly fast for opening apps and doing simple tasks. However, it will definitely slow down if you push it too hard. For example, if you want to start a tech channel and edit crisp 4K drone videos, the Neo will really struggle. The MacBook Air uses the new M5 chip. This chip is a total beast. It has way more power for heavy graphic work and editing those big video files smoothly. Plus, the Air comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM to start, while the Neo only gives you 8 gigabytes. Now let us look at the design and the screens. Both laptops give you a 13-inch display, and they both get plenty bright, but they look very different when you open them. The MacBook Air has super thin borders around the screen. It looks incredibly modern and premium. The MacBook Neo has thicker borders, looking a lot more like an iPad Air. The Neo also has rounded corners and a slightly smaller body overall. Both laptops weigh the exact same amount, which makes them great for carrying in a backpack. But there is a major catch with the Neo's design. It does not have a keyboard that lights up in the dark. If you type at night, that might be annoying. It also uses an older-style trackpad that you have to physically click down. The Air has the glowing backlit keyboard and the fancy Magic trackpad that feels much softer and better to use. Colors are a very fun part of this choice. The Neo comes in bright, eye-catching colors like citrus, blush, and indigo. It even has a lighter shade printed on the keyboard itself. It looks very cool, playful, and totally unique. The Air sticks to the standard professional colors like midnight, starlight, silver, and sky blue. If you want a fun laptop that stands out in a coffee shop, the Neo definitely wins. What about plugging things in and charging? The MacBook Air easily wins this battle. The Air gives you a special MagSafe port just for charging. If someone trips on your cord, it safely pops off. It also gives you 2 super fast USB-C ports that can connect to 2 giant external monitors. The Neo is very limited here. It does not have MagSafe at all. You have to use one of its 2 USB-C ports just to charge the battery. One of those ports is fast, but the other port is very slow. And you can only plug the Neo into 1 extra monitor. For battery life, the Air lasts about 18 hours. The Neo lasts about 16 hours. Both are amazing, but the Air gives you a little extra juice to get through a long day. Even the sound and cameras are a big step apart. The Air has a great 12-megapixel camera and 4 amazing speakers. It sounds rich and is perfect for important video calls. The Neo uses a basic 1080p camera and only has 2 speakers. Interestingly, the Neo speakers are placed on the sides. They still sound okay for watching videos, but the Air is definitely louder, deeper, and clearer. So, here's my honest opinion. The MacBook Neo is an incredible deal. For $599, you get a beautiful, colorful Mac that handles all everyday tasks perfectly. If you're a student, or if you just need a simple, reliable laptop for the house, buy the Neo and save your money. But if you want to do heavier work like playing games or editing high-quality tech videos, you should spend the extra $500 on the M5 MacBook Air. The Air has the better screen, the faster M5 chip, more memory, a better typing experience, and much better ports. It will easily last you for many years of heavy use. If you like this video, please subscribe, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments down below which laptop you would choose and why.